How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install the relay on the Kawasaki Vulcan S. You guys will need to install this piece if you want to install the gear indicator, the 12-volt power adapter, or the extra light bars on the front of the motorcycle. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to need to do for this project is to take off the left side panel cover, engine cover. It's right below your accessory toolkit cover over here on the left hand side. So take this off. To take this cover off, you're going to need a 3mm Allen key or hex key. I have a 3/8 drive on mine, so I'm going to take that off right here. So once you guys take that cover off, you're going to want to remove this bolt right up here. This will allow you to take this entire piece of plastic off and make the whole process much easier. Eventually, you're going to need to take this little band off that's held in place by this bolt. And this is our relay cable that we're going to attach our relay to once we get this cover off. So first, let's take this bolt out. To do that, you're going to need an 11mm socket head. Once it's loosened, just go ahead and take that out. So once you guys have removed that bolt, you're going to need to take out this bolt down here. Same size, you just need an extension bar on your ratchet to get it out. Once you guys have taken those bolts out, you'll have this piece in your hand. It has little plastic nibs on the back side that fit into those corresponding washer points. This one right there. So make sure you retain obviously the bolts that you took out and the washers that come out with them. So now we're going to remove this bolt and this whole band that has held the relay in place. To remove that bolt, you're going to need a 10mm socket. There we go. Now, once you have that hole freed up, you're going to take the mount that comes with your relay. I've just set the bolt that comes with it in here, but you're going to use this new bolt that they send with it. And you're going to mount your relay onto this mount. Now we're going to mount this to the bike. So once you guys have the cover off, you're going to mount this to the bike through this middle hole with the bolt that they include with this mount. It's going to go right on here, like so, right over the bolt you took off. Once you guys have this mounted in place, run these wires right back behind this little tab on the mount, and then this will plug in to our relay here. Now to mount the relay, on the back side you see this little piece of rubber. It has a slot through it. That slot is going to slide over this pointy arrow piece on the mount, and those little tabs will retain it in place. So we're going to slide that over top like this, like so. That's all there is to it. Now we're just going to plug this in, put our covers back on, and we'll be good to go.